Very good evening, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So in the last video we had explained about a very good strategy called R3 strategy, and we had shown you how to take the entry using this R3C. So once again we thank you all to have subscribed our YouTube channel and Telegram channel, also who have subscribed our MST iCore 2.0 trading indicator, as well as whoever is interested in our price action training course. And for everyone we have given this MST iCore 2.0 as the complimentary. From last 2 days we have been giving this MST iCore iTrend 2.0 to everyone as complimentary, whereas the MST iCore 2.0 is not the complimentary version, so please don't ask for free. Now coming to our today's entry, what happened in the bank nifty, what happened in the Axis Bank, ICICI Bank. Let us see one by one. So now I have given you this MST iCore 2.0 for free, right? First let me show you how to trade using this free indicator. So go here and reset settings. So 4 hours you can keep. So initially when the market has opened, you can keep in 4 hours. That is the first step. And the next step, the buy got activated. See here this trend. Okay, this yesterday buy got activated at 120. Here buy signal has come. This line, no, it looks like a super trend. It is not a super trend, it looks like a super trend. So buy trend has come, and here if we see, one R3C has formed. What R3C? The first candle should be a rejected candle. So when the previous trend is buy trend, see here, this R3C is invalid because the previous trend is not a buy trend. The previous trend you can see very clearly, it is not a buy trend, but it is an R3C. So what you have to do, the first candle is a rejection candle and the next candle is a confirmation candle. So we have to note down the high of this candle and low of this candle. Very clear? So now the rejected candle 50%. The confirmation, this is the confirmation candle. So when this confirmation candle retraces 50% to the rejection candle, there we have to entry, which means what? This will be our entry point and this will be our stop loss. So from here to here we have got 1:2 ratio target. 1:2, I'm just zooming out. So from here to here we got 1:2 ratio target. So after that what happened? See here, one more R3C has formed. So this is the R3C. This red candle is called as rejection candle, RC, and followed by one green candle, that is the confirmation candle. So how to take the entry? We should not go to buy entry immediately. So rather we can wait for a retracement. So 50% of this candle, 50% of this rejection candle. So note the high and low for 953 minus 952, around 951. So when the candle is coming down, we can go for the buy entry. This will be our stop loss. So the stop loss has not touched here. You can see very clearly. If you want, I can zoom it out. It has not touched the stop loss. So we have got very good profit yesterday in the Axis Bank. See the profit. And here you can see one rejection candle. The previous trend was buy trend, and here you can see rejection candle and followed by one confirmation candle. Now note down this low and this high. So when you have to take the entry, we should not take immediately once the confirmation candle low is broken. Instead of that, we have to wait 50% of this candle. So when it is giving retracement, so there we have to take the sell entry. and stop loss will be the same, high of these two candles. So once this level got activated, see how much profit you have got. So immediately the next target is the next support line. So perfectly we have got the target, and once more we have got the entry here. See, rejection of candle followed by one confirmation candle. So here rejection of candle followed by confirmation candle, we have got the very good entry and very good profit. And also this trend line is showing what is the trend of the market. It is clearly indicating that sell trend. So from here, so 976 to up to here we have got the target 962, around 10 points we have got. So now it is stuck inside the stop loss CPR. So we have to wait for the clear entry. So this is how we have to trade using iTrend 2.0. So let me show you the example from BANKNIFTY also. So in BANKNIFTY, what happened today in the morning? Today is 18th, right? So this candle is the rejection of candle followed by one confirmation candle, and the previous trend was buy trend. See, three conditions we are telling. One condition, the previous trend should be buy trend, and immediately there should be a rejection of candle, which means the wick will be bigger than the body, and followed by one confirmation candle. So if it is a sell entry, previous trend will be buy trend, and the confirmation candle will be either red or green, or red candle will be the confirmation candle, whereas the rejection candle can be green or red, but the wick should be higher than the body. So note down the high of this candle and low of this candle. Now you have to wait 50% for the retracement. See, perfectly I got the retracement in the third candle also. So we got the entry, we got the profit. The first target is, first support is immediately achieved, and once again it has given 50% retracement, and we have got very nice profit. See how it is giving the profit every time. And here also, see here, this is one rejection of candle and this is one confirmation candle. So from here to here we got the profit. And once again, see here, this candle is the rejection of candle and this is the confirmation candle. Now note down this low and this high, and we are in buy. As per this we are in buy. So we have got 1:1 target already hit at this candle. At 3 o'clock we got the target hit. If tomorrow market is opening above this CPR, this CPR is different from what you are seeing in that in normal CPR. This calculation entirely different. So 45,567, if it is opening above to this level tomorrow, we will be having buy trend. If the market is opening below 45,476, we will be seeing a nice fall down up to this level. So tomorrow we can expect 45,200 range. So 45,200 will be a very good support for tomorrow. So this is how we have to trade. It is very simple. So this is one method. And what is the another method we have? So come here, keep it in reset settings. Where is that Heikinashi method? Okay, I have not added that method in iTrend 2.0, but I have added that option in iCore 2.0. And one more method in iCore 2.0 is when the market is open flat. Okay, if the market is struggling to reach our default entry, if the market is struggling to reach default entry, then you have to keep in 360 in the time frame. And I have also told you that about R3C. In iCore 2.0 also you can apply R3C concept. What is an R3C? So the previous trend, see here, previous trend is a buy trend. Next one, there should be a rejection of candle. See this candle, the wick is bigger than the body and the wick has closed above the sub resistance and the body has closed below the resistance. So this is the rejection of candle, and followed by one confirmation candle, that is the red candle. So now you have got two entry. So now where you have to enter? At the 50% of this range. See perfectly, the fourth candle also has reached the 50% of retracement. We got the target. Once again we got the entry here. See this high is not broken. This is the higher high and this is the lower high. Okay, this is the low, this is the higher low, again this is the higher low and this is the higher low. So it is clearly forming one sell trend. So here we have got the perfect R3C pattern here. Okay, once again we can mark this low and this high. Our stop loss will be moved to here. So from here we have got very perfect targets. And once again here we got the one reversal of candle, where here in this candle. So here we got one reversal of candle. So mark these two levels. When the it is retracing to back 50% of this range, at this point we can go for again buy. See perfectly it has taken support here and it has reached here. So if you are doing like this in each and every move, okay, whether it is bullish move or bearish move, it doesn't matter, you can make money. Don't look at these labels, buy entry, sell entry. Don't look at this. You just consider each and every level as the support and resistance. You just consider each and every level as the support and resistance. And one more thing, come here, you can keep it in monthly, and you can use this for positional trading also. Okay, when the month is opened, you can easily do positional trading. See here, when you are keeping monthly, you can keep in 30 minutes or 45 minutes, so that you will get clear R3C pattern. You will get clear R3C pattern. See this level, in 30 minutes there is a rejection of candle followed by one confirmation candle. So from here 45,651 to 45 to 271, 400 points we have got the profit in today's level. And one more one, see here, rejection of candle, this is a confirmation candle. So this high is not yet broken until it has reached the 44,547. Here what is the high? 45,655. So around 1000 points we have got the profit. How much point? 1000 points we got the profit. Using what? Using R3C pattern. So from here to here we have got the profit. So similarly you can take any movement. See here, rejection of candle, from here we are getting continuous profit. So this is the secret, we never tell this to every people, so only to our paid customers we used to say. And many people are making very good money. And yesterday also one customer has made 1,08,000 profit using the methods whatever we have taught him, and he has applied his good knowledge. He was very patient to get the good profit. He did not close the trade immediately, he was waiting for the good profit and he has achieved it. And see here, this candle in one day time frame I kept, this candle is the rejection of candle exactly happened at the CPR. This is the customized monthly CPR, and followed by one red candle. Okay, So the previous trend is the choppy market. So now what we can do, from here we can select. So the previous trend is buy trend. Here one rejection of candle, followed by this candle is not valid, and this candle is rejection of candle, and next candle is a red candle. Now we can mark this high, and this low. This high and this low, and we should not go for the entry immediately. We have to wait for the retracement. So in retracement also perfectly it has reached level and it is coming down. So from 45,334 to 45,554, 44,000, around 1,000 points here also we have got the profit as per the day time frame. So you forget about everything. At least you practice only one method. This is the R3C pattern. Very easy to remember. First one, there should be a rejection of candle, and second one, there should be a confirmation candle. So for buy entry, the previous trend should be bearish trend. Okay. For sell entry, the previous trend should be buy entry. I mean bullish entry, bullish market. That's all. So only three conditions. So if it is applied, then you can make very good money. So you practice it. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and Telegram channel. And if you are willing to have our MST iCore 2.0 in your system to make more profit and consistent profit without any hurdles, then you can subscribe to our indicator also. Thank you all for watching our video. If you have any doubts, please ask us. We are here to help you. And tomorrow also I will release one more strategy. It also will be very useful. Only by looking at the candle you can make the money, along with our indicator. So that will give you the support and resistance level. So that is why. So why the market is reversing, you don't know, but it will show you, our indicator will show you where is the exact reversal point is. Okay. So thank you all. Bye bye. All the best. Wish you all happy profitable days ahead.